Symptoms of vitamin D deficiency and treatment. Symptoms: getting sick or infected more often, fatigue, painful bones and back, depressed mood, impaired wound healing, hair loss, muscle pain. If vitamin D deficiency continues for long periods of time, it can result in obesity, diabetes, hypertension, depression, fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue syndrome, osteoporosis, neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease. Vitamin D deficiency treatment. Life extension, vitamins D and K with Sea-Iodine. Description: iodine with sea plant complex. Dietary supplement. 1 daily. Non-GMO. Suggested use: read the entire label and follow the directions carefully prior to use. Take 1 capsule once daily with food, or as recommended by a healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: microcrystalline cellulose, vegetable cellulose, capsule, maltodextrin, modified food starch, dicalcium phosphate, stearic acid, silica. Contains soybeans. Warnings: keep out of reach of children. Do not exceed recommended dose. Do not purchase if outer seal is broken or damaged. When using nutritional supplements, please consult with your physician if you are undergoing treatment for a medical condition or if you are pregnant or lactating. Store tightly closed in a cool, dry place. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.